In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Magento 1 extension manually. You can also install it through Magento Connect. To learn more, check our documentation. Let's start by downloading the file. Once you purchase a product from CreativeMinds.com, you receive an email with the product link, license key, and other information. You can also create a free account on CreativeMinds.com, head to your customer dashboard, and here you'll see a tab with your downloads and another with your license keys. Now let's install the extension. First, log into your Magento installation as an admin. Then perform a backup for safety. Check the compilation status. If it's enabled, disable it. Now we'll check that file that you've downloaded from CreativeMinds. The file will be compressed. If you don't know how to uncompress it, check the description for a list of suggestions. The next step is to move the file to the server. They should go to the Magento root directory. As you can see, we are using a software to move these files to the server using FTP or File Transfer Protocol. We also suggest some FTP software in the description below. Be sure that the name of the directory is matched. And don't worry, this process can take some time. Now that all files have been moved to the server, it's time to flush the Magento cache. The only thing left to do is to activate the extension. Simply paste the code in the license panel. That covers the entire installation process. Thank you for watching.